Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be walking you through the steps to which you can get 120 FPS in your PUBG Mobile on gameloop. Okay, so let's jump right in. First things first, open up the gameloop. Click on these three lines at the top and choose Settings. Then go over to Model tab. Here in the first box, write Samsung and SM-X901 in the second. After doing so, save the settings and close the game loop completely. Make sure it's not running in the background. Next, open up the Task Manager and also close this Chinese named app. Once you get done with it, you're gonna then go and search for gameloop in the search bar and open its file directory. Here, select this Android emulator EN file and send it to the desktop as a shortcut. Then, simply right-click on it and head into its properties. Now, in the Shortcuts tab, within the target label, write -VM space 100 and press OK. And last, simply open up the emulator from this shortcut and run the game. If you get this error, simply cancel it and your game will start running. As you guys can see, I'm now getting Ultra Extreme setting, which means I can now play at 120 FPS. So that's pretty much for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.